This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy cucumber salad. This refreshing dish is perfect for any meal and comes together in just a few simple steps. First, gather your fresh ingredients: 2 to 3 medium cucumbers, a small red onion, and some fresh dill. For the dressing, you'll need white vinegar, olive oil, and a touch of sugar. Make sure everything is chilled for the best results. Now, let's prepare those crisp cucumbers. Start by washing your 2 to 3 medium cucumbers thoroughly. Then, using a sharp knife or mandoline, thinly slice them to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Place these slices in a colander and sprinkle them with 1 teaspoon of salt. Let them rest for about 15 minutes. This crucial step draws out excess water, preventing your salad from becoming watery and ensuring a delightful crunch. With your cucumbers ready, it's time to create the simple yet flavorful dressing. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of sugar until well combined. Next, stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion and 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. Now, gently add your drained cucumber slices to the dressing mixture in a large bowl, ensuring every piece is coated evenly. Almost there. Once everything is mixed, cover your salad and place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is essential as it allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. When ready, give it a final gentle toss and serve your refreshing cucumber salad. This easy recipe yields about 4 servings and is a perfect, light addition to any meal or gathering. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.